Hello, I'm Dr. David J. Pesek, the founding producer of our annual International Integrative Healthcare and Holistic Iridology Congress. This year is our 24th anniversary. I invite you to attend, to participate. But before that, I would like you to let me show you scenes from this world-class event. It'll change your life in a very positive way. Thanks for watching. Our annual International Integrative Healthcare and Holistic Iridology Congress. This year, as I mentioned, is our 24th anniversary of bringing this world-class event to you to help you elevate your life holistically, spiritually, mentally, emotionally, and physically with world-class speakers, world-class information, and world-class technologies in the exhibit hall. Beautiful Marriott Airport Hotel in Orlando. Gorgeous. It looks like a resort. We have volunteers that help us to set everything up every year. There's flags put up representing the speakers that have come thus far from 36 nations globally, and far more than that from around the world that are attendees. Gifts for our speakers, people checking in, excited to participate, even families. I always say, remember, good health is your choice, and it is. This is an opening session, massaging each other's backs with what's called star massagers. Oh, I'm just being silly here, but looking at the Moody Blues lyrics about say it with love. You get a sense of what the classroom looks like. Our Congress means that we all co-create this world-class event. Everyone involved at any level, staff, speaker, exhibitor, sponsor, attendee alike, is an important and integral part of the whole. Thus, in joining together, we all create our Congress. A wide variety of intellectual, brilliant people that bring quality, cutting edge, leading edge products for you. There's information on iridology, brain tap. People come every year, couples. It's a tradition. We come together like a family. Every year we're excited to be together. The exhibit hall, look at how busy it is, packed with exhibitors with all kinds of healthful information and technologies for you. Experiential, you can actually experience the products. Even jewelry with specific frequencies to help heal. See, experiential. And then we have a social, and that's on Friday evening after all the lectures. Music on Friday at the lectures. Beautiful hotel, wonderful facilities. Camaraderie of friends meeting, seeing each other year after year, meeting new friends, making new friends. Lectures, like I said, from around the world. We do video recordings in high def, still photography, to keep a record of it. Oh, that's our friend Dave. He's just being silly. It's fun. Those are 3D glasses. Healing products. This one was on helping to clear out Lyme disease. And the attendees are very focused on the information. Information has come from Russia. Back to the exhibit hall. So we go back and forth. Lecture hall, classroom, experiential, exhibit hall, and back and forth for 3 full days of information. Again, lots of experiential. And all the vendors and all the speakers are vetted by myself personally. I make sure that they have the highest integrity and the best products and that you can trust them. What a blast. We have so much fun. A holistic iridology booth. We even offer photography for those of you that would like to experience my newest software creation, the third edition of my software to create a report for you that's 75 pages long. Live blood cell. Again, being silly. We have fun. Learning should be fun. The patio out back is like a resort, and it's on a lake. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Whoa. I mean, we have a gem of a location. This was a Congress a couple of years ago. Very well attended. We're extremely proud of that. I could go on and on with all of it. And every year we have a Lifetime Achievement Award. The banquet on Saturday night, where we have a graduation for the diplomates of holistic iridology. People come from nations, they bring their flags, they display flags. These folks are from Thailand. These people are from the Dominican Republic. Here's a group from Puerto Rico. This was an anniversary cake, and I said this year is our 24th anniversary. That's amazing. There is no other event like this in the world that is this scope. It's integrative healthcare, holistic iridology, cutting edge, leading edge information and technologies for you to help you have a better life and be happier and healthier. Certificates of appreciation. These people, these young ladies have been with me for several years attending. Friendship, friendship, friendship. The graduates, excited to go through the graduation ceremony. Husband and wife going through the graduation. They both earned their diplomate of holistic iridology. The valedictorian every year. And graduating classes. At the end, we all form a circle and we hold hands and we play really powerful music and we feel that oneness that we really are. That's the kind of energy that our Congress brings. And when it's over, people don't want to go home. We build this energy of love. It's like a cocoon. And it's so special. And then on Mondays, we have workshops. For those that want to stick around, I encourage you to. But we have 2 full-day workshops. We're all one. We are all one. Thank you for watching. A big heartfelt thank you for you coming to our Congress October 20, 21, and 22 in Orlando, Florida. Come and be with us. It's very, very special. Thank you, and God bless. See you in October in Orlando at our 24th annual International Integrative Healthcare and Holistic Iridology Congress. God bless.